One of the main misconceptions that we see out there today, and this is of organizations of all sizes, is this idea that your organization does not rely heavily on SaaS. And I think, for a lot of CIOs and IT departments out there, they're thinking contextually about their own business. They're thinking about what they're looking at each and every day, and that may very well not be SaaS. But then if you ask a follow-up question and say, are you really telling me that nobody in your marketing department has signed up for a SaaS service in the last year? Nobody in your sales department, no one in your engineering department, no one in your manufacturing department. All of a sudden you see the wheels start to spin. And that's when you realize that it's true, that in fact the average mid-market company today keeps their data in over 200 different SaaS applications and databases. It is really one of the most fractured times in the history of technology, and it is all a direct result of interdepartmental and departmental usage of SaaS.